it is a jewelry box. We can put bracelet, necklace, ring, or earrings in it together. Just biết số nhà đó kia trong ngày này cứ dương một đầu bài giá cả là con cá riêng bản tịch sau đó đó cứ dương riêng mấy riêng tại toàn năng về co tại toàn năng cá bằng rừng bịa tam mà giá cả ăn sập hơi ăn ở tập bọt trong nhà đó nghe bà con chim mẹ rõm tha point top biết mình sơi chọc rõm trong ở lớn ní chuyện ở các khiêm băng tên nhà bàn cả online vì ở Thái máu trong có việc tập tay năng mặt đó hơi dương ở chuyện ở các ní đâm bay với cả riêng vì sang lấy ở kia Rean Ot Chhob hay năng nhật ở here Rean slap ở here. So in this video, I'm going to speak only English. Trong trong video này khi năng dây tay bị sang lấy tế đâm bay ở nhật ở here bàn Rean Viết hay năng chỉ Rean slap thắt áo khi mình dây âm PA. Cho nên đó này bàn Rean Ot Viết mấy hay năng dương cùng Rean ca slap ở here. Chẳng chắc ở lớn này khi mà mơ thà ta là không biết miên ở bay chẳng ở here. So, 2 boxes and 6 packs. So now let's start to see this for the first one. I don't know what is it, so now let's check together. It is a hair wax. It's used to assist with holding the hair. The styling aid does not stiffen hair, but instead help it remain bouncy and pliable all through the day. Second, it is a phone case. I buy it because the former one is old and can't be used anymore. This costs about $4. It's not expensive because if we buy online in our country, it costs around $12. But buying it from overseas, you have to wait for it around 2 weeks. The third thing, this product called My Smile. It is the teeth whitening serum. It's worked to brighten teeth because I saw the advertisement that this product can help to clean our teeth to make it bright. So I just try it, and if it works, I'll tell you later. This one is a long sleeve shirt. I tried to order it because I saw that it's nice and the price is not very expensive, and I saw that it is very nice. This is a wig. It is a real kind of real hair wig. I use it when joining a party. I can save time and money by using wig. I found it very useful for me, so I buy it for the second time, but different style. And people said that, oh, you look different like that, you are nice. So I like that feeling, I buy another one. This is called scrubbing glove. It's used to remove grime. Grime is the dead skin that flake off. We use this after taking a bath. We can scrub our body and face gently with water. I tried to use it for the first time, so wait to see the result. Let's see what is it. Yes, it is a jewelry box. We can put bracelet, necklace, ring, or earrings in it together. So when we want to use our jewelry, they stay in one box. Easy to find, all of them. Yeah, I found it's very nice. I recommend it if you want to buy one. But for you, if you have a lot of jewelry, do not use this kind because this kinds of jewelry box, it can carry only several jewelries like as you see in the picture. This is the last thing of all the H products that we already unpacked and unboxing. It is a clip-on microphone. In fact, I already have a 2 clip-on microphone, but I want to try this one because I saw it with low price. I want to try it if it is acceptable. If it works well, I will recommend it for my friends and other people. So people can use it with low price. You can save money this way. So that's all for our video today. I hope that you learned some vocabulary and improve your listening in English. See you next time. Goodbye. So that's all for all the 8 things that I bought. So that's all for what I want to show you about things I bought. Now, goodbye everyone. Thank you.